Ever wondered how long a Tesla lasts? Is it just until the warranty expires, or does it go beyond that? Today we're tackling these questions head-on. Teslas are renowned for their durability and long-lasting features. From their cutting-edge batteries to their solid build quality, there's a lot to delve into. In this video, we're going to explore the specifics of Tesla's battery life, its warranty, and overall durability. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of Tesla's durability and its warranty. Tesla's battery life is a hot topic, and rightfully so. These electric beasts are powered by lithium-ion battery packs, and their lifespan is typically quite impressive. On average, a Tesla battery pack can take you a whopping 300,000 to 500,000 miles before it hits the end of its life. But hold on, before you start doing the math and planning cross-country trips, there are factors that can affect this lifespan. Charging habits, for example, play a significant role. Consistently charging your battery to its maximum capacity can lead to a gradual decrease in its overall lifespan. It's like that old saying, too much of a good thing can be bad. Therefore, it's recommended to keep your battery charge between 20 to 80% for optimal battery health. Frequency of use is another factor. Just like us humans, batteries also need a good workout. If your Tesla is mostly sitting in the garage, the battery life might degrade faster than if it were being used regularly. Now, the beauty of technology is that it's always evolving. Tesla's battery technology is no different. Their team of engineers and scientists are constantly working on improvements, pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. They aim to make batteries that last longer, perform better, and are more efficient. So, while your battery may not last forever, it's designed to last for a very long time. Now let's move on to the warranty that Tesla provides. Tesla's warranty is a testament to the confidence they have in their own vehicles. Typically, this warranty spans 8 years or somewhere between 120,000 to 150,000 miles, depending on the model you choose. This is no average warranty, folks. It covers both the battery and the drive unit. These are key components to your Tesla, the heart and soul, if you will. They're the parts that really make your Tesla, well, a Tesla. So, if you have any issues within the warranty period, you can rest easy knowing Tesla's got your back. But let's not forget that warranties, while beneficial, have their limits. It's important to note that Tesla's warranty doesn't cover everything. Normal wear and tear, not covered. Damage caused by accidents, also not covered. Essentially, the warranty is there to protect you from any manufacturing defects or unforeseen issues with the battery or drive unit. In essence, Tesla's warranty is a commitment from the company to stand by the quality and longevity of their vehicles within the defined parameters. However, it's crucial to remember that while the warranty provides a safety net, it doesn't spell out the lifespan of your Tesla. It's not an expiry date on your Tesla's life, because with proper care, your Tesla could very well outlast its warranty period. So, while the warranty provides a safety net, it's not an expiry date on your Tesla's life. Now that we have discussed the battery life and warranty, what does this mean for the overall durability of a Tesla? Let's circle back and tie it all together. We've delved into the specifics of Tesla's battery life and warranty, but these are just parts of a much larger picture. Tesla's durability extends beyond these elements to include the overall build and design of the vehicle, which is engineered to last. When we talk about durability, we're looking at the entire lifespan of the vehicle. This includes the battery, yes, but it also incorporates the longevity of the vehicle's components, the resilience of the design, and the strength of its construction. Teslas are built with electric drivetrains that have fewer moving parts than traditional combustion engines, which means there's less that can go wrong over time. The warranty is a testament to Tesla's confidence in their vehicle's durability. The fact that Teslas often outlast their warranty period is a testament to their resilience and longevity. Remember, the warranty is there to give you peace of mind, but it's not the end-all be-all of the vehicle's lifespan. Teslas are designed with the future in mind. They're built to withstand the test of time, and their durability is a key part of that vision. The battery life and warranty offer assurance, but the true value lies in the vehicle's overall longevity and resilience. In the end, a Tesla is more than just its battery life or warranty period. It's a vehicle designed for longevity.